Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you exactly how people are making over $10,000 per month with faceless long-form sleep videos. All of the instructions that I'll be giving in the video require no prior experience because most processes will be automated with AI automation tools. This guide would be perfect for you if you're a student or working a 9 to 5 job, as everything that I'll be discussing requires very little effort, so you can do this after your work or school. If you're wondering how I got this information from, it was actually one of my community members who were doing this kind of videos, and we had a long call. He spends about 1 or 2 hours a day making these videos. Of course, I got permission from him to reveal these secrets that I'm about to show you. If you go to our messages, you can see that he sent me a screenshot of his friend making over $10,000 using this method. He's also doing these sleep long form AI videos, and it looks like he hit a viral video at 26th of October because he has made over $1,300. Imagine doing that much money as your side hustle. I strongly recommend that you watch this full video until the end because I'll be dropping a lot of hidden gems that nobody talks about. The nature of these videos is to make a 2 or 3 hour video long that people will put on background and the ads will keep playing. That is why this niche is a gold mine right now. Let's begin with a step-by-step tutorial how you can find a niche for your sleeping videos, how you can create scripts for it, thumbnails, and how to edit the video so you can post it into your own channel. The first thing you have to do is find a niche for your channel. This is the most important part because if you choose an oversaturated niche, your videos will flop and nothing will take off. And I have found 4 reference channels which we will check out together and see how they are performing. This is the first channel I found out that was doing good. It is making about $4,000 on the upside, and all their videos are about history of different events or creatures. 5 days ago they have posted an alien hiding in our history, ancient history for sleep. Another viral video they have is about 2 weeks ago, talking about Alexandria and the history of the library of it, and many more like Colosseum, El Dorado, God of War even, and in a bit I'll show you how you can also brainstorm this kind of ideas. Let's have a look at this other one. This channel is about fictive sleeping stories. This is also a very good niche. He's making about $7,000 on the upside. Imagine you doing that with about 1 or 2 hours a day of work. Let's have a look at one of his videos to see how he produces them.
Hello, my friend. Welcome to your sleep story.
Voiceover is most like an 11 Labs agent, which I'll cover later on how you can create it also. His whole video is about autumn sleeping story. If we go at the middle of the video, we see that he doesn't even have an image. He has left the image blank, he has only the voiceover. If that's low effort, I don't know what else is. This other channel, Get Sleepy, is also about these sleep storytelling videos, and he's making over $9,000 per month on the upside. All these videos are 2+ hours long, which don't be scared because everything will be automated and it doesn't matter if it's 2 or 4 hours. It will take the same amount of time to make. And the last channel that I wanted to cover that does this kind of videos in the same way is the Amagi channel. He is making $55,000 per month, and all his content is about Naruto fictive stories, because every single video he has is a fictive story that doesn't even happen in the anime. But that's the great thing about this, because chat models are great at storytelling, and when you say to it to create a story for you, it will do a pretty good job, and this guy is utilizing that information to the max. Now if you go to one of his videos, we can see that he includes tons of videos of the story in it, so it will be a lot harder to replicate this exact channel, and most likely he has hired an editor to do this. Also we can see that he using the same sleeping story videos format, because all his videos include a voiceover, which most likely is AI, and tons of short videos inside of it. Now that was all about identifying your niche. Just go on YouTube and search sleeping videos, take a look at the channels whose videos have performed the best, and that's it, because they have done already the hard part, identifying the niche which makes them profitable. All you have to do is just copy what works. When you have identified your niche that you want in your channel, I recommend taking a screenshot of the channel that you have been inspired by, just like so. Then go to ChatGPT, give it the image and tell it to give you a name for your channel, inspired by these videos. As we can see, ChatGPT has given us some very good names, like Dreamy Rain Tales, The Sleepy Lantern. Each one of these names are good enough to be a channel on its own. After you get your channel name, then you tell ChatGPT to give you an idea inspired by the one in your screenshot. I just said it to give me a video idea about the screenshot videos. Now it has given me a title and the concept of the video with the structure, but we don't need this. We only need the title of it, because everything else we will do on Claude. Let's tell it to give us some other titles. I just told it to give me only titles and more variations. Now the power of ChatGPT is showing. These are some great titles right here. The Secret Garden Beneath the Umbrella, The Lantern That Dreamed of the Moon. These are great titles. You can make a video for each of them, and most likely one of these videos will be viral for sure. Now we have found the niche, made the title, got the video idea. Now we have to do the script for this video. Pay attention now, because this will be some secret information. Go to Claude.ai and paste this exact same template. This template is super optimized, so Claude can give you a complete script for your video. All you have to do in this message is just change some things around, like your channel name, the topic, the style of your video, the number of words, and Claude will handle the rest. Let me change it real quick to our current niche. Let's have a look now at the information I entered and how you can optimize it to your own liking. First of all, you have to change the name. I've chosen the name The Sleepy Lantern, that covers sleepy story videos in a relaxed, educational and fiction style. This was the style that I wanted to be in the video. When writing video scripts for me, use the provided text file as your template for tone and narrative style only. Never use its content. Now what this is about providing a text which includes the transcript of the video that you got inspired from. Let me show you what I mean. Let's go to this video, The Coziest Autumn Story. Get its YouTube link, and you go to another tab and search for YouTube to transcript. Now all you have to do is just open one of these pages and paste that video's link. It will give you back the full transcript of the video. Just got done transcribing that video. Just copy paste it into your text file. Save it and let's send it to the Claude model. Click on the plus icon and search for upload file. Then you can upload your text file. That was it for this step. Now we say that all scripts must be a minimum of 5,000 words, non-negotiable. Now this 5,000 word here makes a video about 40 minutes long, but if you want 2+ hour videos, just enter 15,000 words plus. It will be more than enough for your videos. Then we say research topics thoroughly using web search before writing. Perform at least 7 web searches to ensure comprehensive coverage from credible sources. Now this number 7 right here is an optimized number, because if you put 10 or more, Claude will use more space in making the research than giving you a script, and it will give you an incomplete script, less words that you required it to do. 7 is an optimized number. Then we say to include only factual, verified information, label speculation if you can verify accuracy, so including this in makes also the story of the video very accurate. If you're making a fictional story just like we are doing, you can remove this part. Then we say to cover topics comprehensively using detailed, vivid, image-inducing language that brings the subject to life. And we have many more details that are for the Claude system to create the script as accurate as possible, because oftentimes it does mistakes, and that's why we are using this optimized template. So the script that it gives us is the one that we are instructing it. Once you're happy with your information, you can click on the send button. Also, one more thing before you send: if you're doing these fictive stories like I'm doing, just remove this part where we need to do web searches to find credible source for our script. Claude now asks us what kind of topic that it likes us to cover. That's why we have ChatGPT. We just choose one of these titles that ChatGPT created for us and tell it to give us a concept of it. So Claude gives us a super detailed topic and history about it. I just said it to give me a concept about this video title: A Rainy Night in the Cozy Village of Dreams. Now the output that we are getting right now, we just send it to Claude and it will do the rest for us. Copy everything ChatGPT said and paste it inside of Claude. Now Claude just started the process. It will take about 5 or 10 minutes to complete the whole script, so let's just wait for a bit and come back. Just a tip for you guys: if Claude says that it's reached the maximum length for the message, just click on continue and it will continue making your script. And we are finished. It took about 10 minutes to make this, because we set it to make a 15,000 word script. To get this script now, just click on copy right here and paste it inside the text file. Just like so. Now we move on to the AI voiceover for this script. We will be using 11 Labs. I found out this is the best and the cheapest model out there. It will create super high quality voiceovers, and there is a library of hundreds of voices for your videos. Go on 11 Labs, click on this on the top left and search for Creative Platform. Now inside of it, click on Studio and we go to New Audiobook. Before we create this project, just drag and drop your text file we just got from Claude, and we need to find a voice for our video. I'll be using this guy, Denver, because his voice was the most soothing for this storytelling video. Let's see how it sounds.
Now the theater of obedience. Observe how the same blueprint wears different.
He has a sleepy voice, a chill, relaxed vibe that is exactly what we want for our video. I found this on Voices tab on the left and search for Story. In the search bar. This is where I found Denver. Now I click on this plus icon to add to my voices. Then we go back to the studio audiobook. Now the Denver voice comes out in the default voices right here. If you have this auto assigned voices toggled on, just turn it off and just click on create project. As we can see, the whole script we made is about 1 hour and 38 minutes. That is more than enough for this kind of videos. One tip I would like to share with you is click on these 3 dots right here. Search for project settings, and in general for the model you select this 11 Turbo 2.5 because it uses way less credits, and toggle these chapters off because we don't need multiple chapters for our script. Let's hear a snippet of how it sounds like for our story.
Welcome to the Sleepy Lantern. My name is Thomas, and I'm so glad you're here with me tonight.
As we can see, the voice actor has a sleepy cozy vibe that is perfect for these sleepy videos. All you do now, just click on export and search for audio format, you put it on WAV, because it will be a higher quality. Just fill your account up with the credits needed to export this voiceover and click on export. And that was it for the voiceover. We just finished with the name of the channel, the title of the video, the concept for the video, the script for it, and now we just did the voiceover. The next step to do now is create a thumbnail for our videos. It's super simple. Let's go again to the video of our liking. Just get the URL of the video that you got inspired from. I'll be using this mouse one. Go to another tab and search for YouTube to thumbnail. There are plenty of services for you to get the thumbnail. I can't click them because it's against YouTube policy, but just go ahead and download your thumbnail. Okay, just downloaded mine now, and here is a site that nobody will tell you about how to create these thumbnails. Most people are paying 10 to 20 bucks on Fiverr for a guy to create it for them. Now I'll teach you this free method that will create a super high quality thumbnail inspired by the one that you will give it. Go on a new tab and search for vidIQ and open this URL, vidiq.com. Once you're inside the page, go on the left side where you see create and search for thumbnail. Click on it. Here's what you do now. If you see on the bottom, we see a reference button. Click on it. Go to the upload tab and upload the thumbnail you just got. Like I said, we'll be using this one, and we will be using the title that we got from ChatGPT. Just copy it and send it to vidIQ. Click on create now and it will create a thumbnail that is very close to the one we provided. By the way, this service is completely free. You don't have to fill this up with credits or anything like that. Just use your Google account to connect with it. As we can see, we got 3 super cool thumbnails that are very close to the one we provided. Let's choose the left one as it looks very original. Just click on download on the top right of it. And that's how you create these thumbnails from scratch using this free service without needing to pay anyone for it. The next thing to do now is get a background music for our video. I found that Pixabay is the best free solution to get this no copyright music for backgrounds on our video. I just searched for no copyright music and relaxing. If we click on play on this first music right here, we can see that it is perfect for our story videos. Have a look. It's a super chill and sleepy vibe. Just go on the right of it and click download. You can search for whatever kind of genre that you want. Relaxing, rain, piano, whatever you want. The next thing to do now is get a particles video effect that will be overlaying our images in the video. Because since we are doing this super low effort solution, we need some movement in the video, not just images, so YouTube doesn't flag our video and makes it eligible for monetization. We have to put a particles effect on our video. Go to pexels.com and search for particles. You can scroll down a bit and I found out that this video right here is the exact one that we are looking for. Just click on free download and we are done with the overlay part of our video. Now we need to create an image that it will be showing throughout the video, so YouTube does think it's a video and not a slideshow, and this is needed for monetization. Another golden nugget for you guys, because this page is not used by many people and it creates free super high quality AI images that look great in your video. Just search for sora.chatgpt.com. And we are not using Sora 2, because you most likely have heard of it. We are using Sora 1, a previous model, which is free to use by anyone and can create these images that we want. Go on the images tab on the left, choose the 3:2 aspect ratio, and then you can describe the image that you want in the video. I'll be putting the title of my video with some creative stuff on it, and send. We need to wait 1 or 2 minutes for this to create. And these are the images that Sora came up with. I really like the second one. It has super cozy and sleepy vibes. Let's just download it. And now we are left with the final step to edit all of this together. I recommend downloading CapCut, which is the best beginner-friendly editing program. It is super easy to use and is also free. Just go on CapCut.com and install the desktop version. Now that we are on CapCut, I have laid out all the files and sounds that we have gotten already, so I can show you exactly how the process looks like till the end. Here's how you edit each file so you can create the full complete video. Now we have put this particles video on the top right here, because this will be as an overlay to our image. Click on the particles overlay and go on the top right where you see the basic in the video section and go to the blend section. Open this up, and for the mode, don't leave it on default, you move this to the screen mode and all the black screen background will disappear and just the particles will remain. Here's how it looks like in the video.
Number A, rainy night in the cozy village of dreams. Welcome to the sleep.
As we can see, CapCut does everything for us. That is all for the particles part. Now we go to the image part. We see that is only 5 seconds, but we want it to be an hour and a half, for example. How do we do that? Just go on the right of this clip right here and just drag and drop it. Just drag and drop it to the right. Now the clip is 1 minute and 43 seconds. Just repeat this process until you have a video about 2 hours long. I'll just match it with the length of my voiceover. Just like so, 17 minutes. You also will do the same with the particles video, but you can just drag and drop it till the end. You have to copy paste it. Just click on it, right click, click on copy. The shortcut is Ctrl C on your Windows or Command C on your Mac. Then you just paste it with Ctrl V or Command V. Just like so. Do it as many times as necessary until the end of the video. When we are at the end here, you just cut with a B, click on B and this cut icon will appear and just cut the clip. The other part we don't need it, just delete it. Here's the thing now, we can't leave the image like it is, static and non-moving. We have to make it so it moves a bit so YouTube considers it for monetization. Otherwise, it will consider that as a slideshow or even a static image. That's not good in eyes of YouTube. Click on the image and go to the transform on the right here. Click on this keyframe icon and here's what you do now. You move on a couple of minutes in the clip and just scale the video up a bit so it becomes bigger. Let's just say 15%, it will be more than enough. Now go this previous keyframe right here and drag it to the left. Now if you go over, you see that the clip is slowly getting closer. This is considered good on eyes of YouTube. You now just repeat the same process. Go a couple of minutes on the right and make the scale to 100 again. Now it will make like a zoom in and zoom out effect. Do this until the end of the video. That is all for that part. Now we see that the voiceover right here is a bit loud because we see these red dots right here. To make it sound better, just click on the voiceover, go on the right and just drag and drop this volume right here. To the left. If you see down below, we see that those red dots are disappearing. That's the volume that we want. The problem we have right now is that the background music is just too loud and we need to lower it. Just do the same operation again, but this time lower it much more than the voice one. We need the background music to barely be heard because the voice will be the main priority. This is the perfect amount. As we can see, the video is now perfect. All we have to do is fill the whole video with the background music. Just go and select it and copy with Ctrl C and paste it with Ctrl V on the right. Do this until the end of the video. And delete whatever is left over. The whole video is complete now. If we go over the video fast, we can see how the video looks like from above. The image is moving and the particles also are moving. This was the whole editing process. All this left to do now is click on export, name this video file and choose the export location. For the resolution, leave it to 1080p, that's perfect for YouTube, and change the frame rate to 60 FPS. Then click on export. And that was all the processes you need to take for this kind of videos. Now you just rinse and repeat the same processes to create different videos in your niche. That's the exact same method that my friend used to make over $10,000 per month right now. As I said in the beginning, it requires very little effort because you'll be using all these AI tools that will make the processes super easy for you. You can do this after your school or your job. Will be the best side hustle you'll ever take on. I'll be uploading every template, prompt and page that I use in this video inside my community in the classroom section if you want everything done for you in one place. In the community we are using the latest strategies, AI tools and methods that help you achieve your financial goals. Inside you'll have direct access to me and I'll give you personalized tips for whatever venture you're taking. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe as we are sharing valuable information for every video we make and that helps us a lot making this kind of videos. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you on the next one.